Welcome to Alex's Creative Life, and today I'm making my famous Thai red chili sauce. And I'm super excited to be sharing this recipe with you guys because we love it and it's absolutely awesome. The ingredients are Thai red chilies, fresh lime, turmeric, ginger, garlic, galangal, coriander, sesame oil, fish sauce, mirin, and lemongrass. So what we do is we take all of these fresh ingredients, prepare them, peel the garlic, and put them all into the Vitamix, and we blend until smooth. And we just love this sauce. It accompanies most of our meals. It's super punchy, super tasty, and it's absolutely awesome. And the great thing is it's raw and it sits in the fridge and ferments and gets better and better and lasts for absolutely ages, and we absolutely love it.